Hello, I am going to give you some instructions on week 1 Excel assignment. Let's go to the problem one. Uh, this problem is very real life familiar. You need to develop a formula to calculate final cost of an item after discount and after tax. Let's put it make simple. The original price is 100. The 20% off tax rate 5%. Uh, how to calculate final cost? That's very easy. We actually can compute it in mind. 100%, 20% off. That means 50 or $80, and tax rate is 5%. 5% tax rate is on $80 is $4. So final cost is $84. But here we need to generalize this this calculation, the process of calculation into a formula like this. Final cost equals to regular price times the discount rate, how many percent off, and plus 1 times 1 plus tax rate. So we clean up this one, clean up this cell and put the formula in. The formula is regular price. Don't type the number in. Click this cell and then times. First, we need to type equal. Every time when you want to do calculation and use a formula, first type the equal. And then cell B14 and times rise parenthesis 1 minus discount rate, this cell, and then times 1 plus tax rate, and then return. Oh, we got $84. This is the formula in Excel. The advantage that you have a formula, you put the formula in the cell, is if we change the regular price, usually, for example, 89.99, and the discount rate is 25%. Tax rate may be complicated a little bit, 4.35. So, let's give this number 2 decimal place. Okay, so we just need to drag down so you get a number. Another example, this time is 2 1A and 15% off, test rate 5.31, and then write down this cell. This you put the mouse on the bottom of this, on the right bottom of the cell, and drag down. Okay. Let's go to the problem 2. Problem 2 is a little bit complicated. A cell phone company charge 29.99 per month for 200 data minutes of cell phone use and 0.25 per minute after. That means you need to break down the formula into 2 scenarios. One is if the minutes is equal or above 200, the monthly charge is the base is $29.99 plus the meaning after. How to calculate the meaning after? The monthly meanings minus 200 and times $0.25 per minute. This is the first scenario. If the meaning is equal or above 200. If the meaning is less than 200, that's easy. Just how many? 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 199 minutes is the charge is 29.99. So how to put this formula into Excel? For example, if I use 245 minutes this month, the monthly charge is equal plus. Usually in the formula, please don't put the dollar sign in. You can have a dollar sign after the calculation if you want. And plus meanings, this is the independent variable. We just click this cell and then minus 200 right parenthesis and times 0.25. Enter or return. Oh, you got the monthly charge. So if you click this cell, you can change the number in this cell to other type of number you want to. For example, I want to be general oh, the dollar sign disappear. But I want it to come back to currency and have a dollar sign on. So if the monthly meanings is 387, and if the monthly meanings is 412, so do we need to write a formula again and again? No, we just put the mouse on the click this cell and put the mouse on the right button, and then when the mouse appear to a plus sign, you just drag down. Oh, that's the Excel will automatically calculate for you. It is called autofill. And for this one, if meanings is less than 200, for example, is 10 meanings, or 16 A meanings, or 199 meanings, a monthly charge is constant, is 25 or $29.99. So we just put $29.99, and we just could we just write down? Oh yeah, just write down. Okay, let's go to the problem 3. Problem 3 is similar to problem 2. You need to break down the formula into 2 scenarios. I already give you the formula. What you do is convert the formula into Excel formula. Also, the problem 4, yeah, I give you the formula. One thing I want to remind you that percentage change sometimes is negative. Don't be afraid that if you get a negative percentage change, that just means decay or decline. Okay, good luck.